Today I wanted to do a quick video. If you're buying a house or you're a realtor agent and want to take care of your customers, one thing I really recommend is doing a sewer inspection. Okay, so we're about to do a sewer inspection here, and this one right here, we can already see that there's a new clean out, so that's a really good thing. And let's check how the sewer looks. A sewer inspection is going to save a lot of headaches. And don't forget to check these other videos. Thank you for watching.